Hey guys, it's me back again. I just beat Phoebe. Yeah, and I had to watch the walls glitch still on, so not glitch, cheat on. And then her, which I don't care, Pokemon. I have to go in my bag and see if I have any revives. I have one revive. Why would I use a revive when I can just go over here and okay, I have some rare candy left. When I can just go like this and rare candy that. 59, 60, 62, 61, 62, 63. So that's what I'm gonna put them at. Nope. What can we use? 56, 57, 58. Oops, I forgot to start recording again, but I just initiated the battle. That's all I did with him. With her. Dynamic Punch, Sunspot. Got her. Got that one. Yeah, I knocked one out, so I better be able to knock the other one out. Oh, okay, nice. Okay. Wall Rain, no. I'm just gonna use Dynamic Punch, because it's probably not gonna get him. But that's gonna cause confusion, and he's down. Oops. Okay, that was my fault. Turn my phone. Okay, so no, I don't care about that. Glalie has red eyes. He's been snorting very much. He's been a bad boy. I don't even know what I'm talking about. This is your brain. And this is your brain on drugs. Alright. Do I have an ice beam? An ice beam? Some ice type moves. I do not have an ice type move. Okay, I'm gonna have to use I'm gonna have to use you. So I can Dragon Breath you guys. Shelgon. Oh, well, you use Protect. Who cares about you? Yeah, there we go. I don't care, I already have a Flygon. It's Flygon versus Flygon. I'm already higher level than you, so you should be going down. No! You're going to go down first. Yes. It's the fight of the Flygons. And my Flygon won. Yes, I'm going to change out for the non-dragons. Which Altaria is just fighting flying type. So, S'mores. Psychedelic, man. This is what you're basically doing for Psychic. You're just taking the type and just like throwing it at him. Just take the type Psychic, just throw it at him. Oh, there we go. Kricketle. Kricketle hit. Yeah, Kricketle. Salamence, yes. I will change back into you. Okay. The green turd Salamence. It's probably gonna kill me after I said that. Yep. Okay, he's flying, so Magnetric Spark. Oh, so close. Oh, Florishore, no, my wife Florishore. Okay, yeah. Here we go. Oh, how did that happen? Fight. Use Confusion. No, I'm gonna use Psychic. Throw that Psychic at him. Just throwing Psychic at him. Oh, well, okay, Pokemon? No. Psychic. Body Slam. That took out 62 health. Left me with 100. Hey guys, watch. Wait. I'm walking over spikes. Oh. Okay, so now we're going up to this door. Wallace. I should be able to beat him. So, yes. Wallace with his way lower. Oh yeah, okay, I can use him with Leaf Blade, and that should be... Wallace should be easy, and then if he has any ice Pokemon... Wait, what was that? Milotic, okay. Leaf Blade. Okay, oh no, Ice Beam. Oh, that's bad! Oh, and of course you have a Citrus Berry, but I can still Leaf Blade. Leaf Blade. Tentacruel. Yeah, I can switch into Gardevoir. She's weaker. So, use Hypnosis. Dang it. Oh no, why was I poisoned? Oh, and of course the attack has to miss. Oh, I'm dead. Oh no. Of course it has Ice Beam. Confuse him. Of course you have Toxic. Oh no. I have low. Oh come on, I'm gonna die. And I'm gonna leave Badry. And I'm gonna die. Oh no, I'm dead. And trying for the... Nope. That's why I need to buy revives. This is exactly what I'm doing. I'm gonna buy several Hyper Potions. 20. Yes, and I'm going to buy 20 revives. 20 revives. That should be good this time. Dark type Pokemon. Machiana, Hahana, Skyper. If I do it right, I should only have that many, but I'm gonna have to go run out and grab my charger so I can keep this episode going. Yep. Okay, I'm back. Just need to plug this in so it doesn't die. Okay, we're good. Okay, need to get under here. Okay, here we go. I'll just turn that up a little bit. Okay, I'm good now. Crawdont. No, I don't care about Crawdont. Now, Sky Uppercut. Bruh. Yeah, so that was only 5 Pokemon. So that should... Oh, wait. No, okay, I'm good. Now it's 5 Pokemon, so... Sky Uppercut, so that should only be 5 missing. So... Yeah. 8 for Sydney. And... I got out of there. Okay, I don't care about you. Okay, and now... Pokemon. You... Switch with you. Okay, go through, go fast there. This is just gonna be a speed through. Yeah, I know he was gonna use Protect. Now I'm gonna use Crunch. So, there we go, he's gone. Bane. No, I don't care about that. I can just crunch it too, but it doesn't have Protect. Just gonna bite it a couple times, so it doesn't use so they don't use a Forest Door. Of course. Nightshade. Okay, there we go. We got it off. I'll just have to heal him afterwards. No. So, Crunch. See, those two I sped through. Okay, Pokemon. No, switch with you. And I'm good with that. Okay. Glacia, I do not care about you because I'm going to defeat you really. Okay. So, no, okay. another Sky Uppercut. There we go, that should be him down, yes. Okay, he's at a stack of levels. Oops, I accidentally done that punch again, but who cares? 2002. Okay, so this. Okay, yeah. So I thought it had 15. So yeah. When you're up a grass and fighting type, but it's too powerful, so you can't even get an ice type move off of it. Okay, I don't care about you, Glacia, so just let me get to Drake and then let me get to Wallace. Okay. And, Pokemon. Pokemon. Okay. These are just going to be sped through. So, fight Dragon Bear. Okay. Oh, okay, nice. Critical hit. I'm going through this without taking damage so far. Yes, switch to U. Shift. Okay, Altaria. Not Thunder Waves, but Spark. Oh, okay. That did not do much. Sparky one more time. Dragon Dance again. Okay. Well, of course. Now you're gonna easily kill me. Or not. Why haven't I been using Thunder? Do not know. But Sparking seems to be good. Tundra, okay, Thunder. Oh, so close. Really? You had to be that? You have to be that way? Do you have to be that way? Again. Oh, Surf. Oh no, and Thunder missed. Dragon Dance. Oh no. Spike should land. Yes, okay, it landed. Salamence. No, I don't care. I'm gonna Thunder him. Oh, I accidentally sparked. Oh. If I can get this Thunder off. Oh, I can't. I'm down. But Flygon should be able to finish him off. Oh, so close. Come on. You can't just go and do that to me. Okay, Flygon didn't faint this time. So, yeah, nice. And I don't care about you, Drake. Okay. And shooting Muse. Oops. All I'm just doing is healing up my Pokemon for a Lance's battle, no, Wallace's battle. no, that's a Flygon down. Yep. Yep. Spark. Oh, nice. Spark. Gyarados. No, I don't care. I'm not grabbing more PP for Thunder. Yeah, nice. Okay, water and flying, that should do immense amounts of damage. Yes. Wish Cash. Yes, I'm gonna change for that one into ABD. Wish Cash looks so weird. I like the other one better. But Leaf Blade? Yeah. That should do a lot of damage. Yeah. He's ground and water. Milotic, yes, I'll change into you. Sure. Fate use Thunder. Thunder! Thunder! Tentacruel. Thunder! That's what I call a good day. Thunder. Ludicolo. Rither. RLLY. Oh, double team. Okay. You didn't die. How come? That's how come. How about Sparky? Aw, dang it. Oh, come on, stop missing. Why are you missing? Why are you missing? Oh, because double team, that's why. You know what's funny? I could land a Thunder when it's less accurate. And I can't even land a Spike. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just go away, finally. Oh my god. He's not even gonna be able to kill him. Yep. Surf, and he's gone. Thank god you don't get any more Leech Seed from him. Just gonna send him out and throw Psychic at you. There we go. Okay. I was just thinking of something weird. I was not really paying attention that I was in a video. You probably heard some weird noises, so yeah. Why those here? Just joking, it's okay. I've never beat the Elite. I've literally never beat the Elite Four in Pokemon Omega Ruby or Alpha Sapphire. I mean, not those, but Ruby and Sapphire, the actual games. Yay! All my shiny Pokemon. I think those were the Pokemon in my Pokedex. my Pokedex. Okay. Catching up to May. It's better if you have like a lot more Pokemon in your Pokedex than I have. Because it'll cycle through all the Pokemon you have. The end. No. Okay. Now, here. Okay. Yeah. Yay, Dad's home. Rawr. The SS ticket. Buckles have been colored Pokemon in flight. The identity of the Pokemon is currently unknown. We now return to our regular movie program. You catch that? What color did the announcer say? What was it? It's not red or blue, it's green and orange for Deoxys. Red. Well, oh, or it's just, what is it? Or it's just Latios or Latios. Sorry I'm being quiet, but I'm just trying to get through this. So I can go here. This is title. And I went through the building. Well, hi, Hunter. Something come up, so I have to disembark, and I am glad to see you. League champion, there's a place I'd like to invite someone like you to the Battle Frontier. Yes. Path through fast running currents, you're helping me avoid those waters with such filter. Oh yeah, Mr. Briny! It's literally all that it is. Something. I don't wanna fight you, you're gonna die. Fly, just go fast. Injury, I don't care about that. Fly, you're gonna die. Okay, that was easy. That was easy. Wait. Can I do this? Oh, I can't! I can just go into all the rooms like this. It's empty. I didn't knock on the door. I phased through the wall. That's so funny. But, yeah. Oh, that's so funny. It's like, hey, haven't you heard of knocking on the door? Well, I didn't go through the door. I went through the wall. I phased through the wall. So, yeah. I'm gonna pause the video until I get to the battle frontier. Okay. Bye-bye for right now. Okay, hey, I'm back. And, okay, so... Frontier Pass, okay. Oh, hey, Scott, you're already here. Oh, okay. I'm actually not going to battle. If that sounds kind of weird, then you guys can just go away. Nope, wrong building. Is this the right one? Yeah, this is the right one. Oh. Well, this is actually not the right one, but, come on, you go, I want to find the right building. Where's the right building? Is this the right building? Just skip through all that. Nope, not the right building. Don't want a survivor. I don't want to go inside of a survivor. No, this is not it. Literally, where is the building that I want to go to? Is this the building that I want to go to? Nope. I don't think any of these are the buildings that I want to go to. Yep. Maybe this is the building that I'm supposed to go. Crap, where is it? The Emerald Battle Frontier. Wait, Hunter. It's really hard, okay. Don't care. Ooh, is this the right one? Probably. Nope. Trying to find the right one. Oh no. Oh no. I'm stuck. Oh, no, I'm not. Not anymore. I pushed a girl through the building. And of course, it's not the right one. What's this cave down here? Okay, there's a Smeargle. Not even gonna go down there. Okay. I swear, this thing does not want me to find the right building. Is this the right building? Oh, I found it finally. And I need to turn off the walk-through walls glitch. Keep calling it a glitch. It's not a glitch. Why do I call it a glitch? It's not a glitch. I am not able to walk through walls again. Okay, so someone's PC. Okay, withdraw Pokemon. Wait, no, deposit Pokemon. Missions. New. Okay, move Pokemon. Okay. Place. Okay, actually move Pokemon. Party Pokemon. Move. You. Place. Party Pokemon. I'm gonna see if this works. Okay. Operations. Yes. I'm gonna go over here. And then I'm gonna exit out. Continue box operations? No. And no, okay. Save? Yes. Okay, so move Pokemon. Move. Place. Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. Yes. Really? Okay. Okay. I can't do the cloning, so I just wasted all that time. So, sorry for not getting that done, but I basically finished the game. So, leave in the comments down below for another series that I can do, or anything that I can do, like another different type of series. So, yeah, that's it. So, I'll see you guys in the next series. Bye-bye.